Mike Will made it.
First degree, bitch. Jump in that water with this shark. I'll rip you niggas apart. I'll finish what I start. Compare me to none, I'm off the charts. I tell a bitch I want head, cause I might break her heart. They shouldn't have let me out the cage. This dog bite, no bark. Fuck what you niggas think. I'm the truth and you ain't. Got these bitches moaning like I'm riding in a tank. This first degree, excuse me for being frank. I put a bounty on your head. This New Orleans saint. I don't care who come before or after. I got next, got 40 lighters on my dresser and 100 rounds on my desk. I smoke kush just to relieve stress. Hard times got me stressing, so don't piss off this T-Rex. I thought I told them non-believers. I show them these niggas think they fuck with me. Must be on that shit like Lamar Odom. I'm on my A game, gon' test me. I've been skating on thin ice, I maneuver like Wayne Gretzky. Yeah, this mastermind, this after mine. No days off, I reach the top in a matter of time. In this jungle, beware bears, lions, K's and nines. Fuck the cops, one of my bitches will confirm my alibi. We street made, prepare for the heat wave. I spark a blunt, sit back and watch you niggas get cremated. Yeah, pass the baton, watch me running like a relay. My competitor driving will allow me to stop, so get the fuck out the way. I'm grinding, thinking about that paper. I'm grinding, thinking about that paper. I'm riding around the town and I'm smoking on the vapors. I don't give a fuck about you haters, bitch. I symbolize danger. I'm grinding, thinking about that paper. I'm grinding, thinking about that paper. I'm riding around the town and I'm smoking on the vapors. I don't give a fuck about you haters, bitch. I symbolize danger. Now, first degree. Enough said. Division 1.